Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to DJ Ronzi channel. This is Numark Platinum FX. So I'm just fixing it. If you have any issue with your platter not moving, whenever you're touching your platter, it's having issues. This is the player. It's having issues. This is what I'm fixing right now. I'm fixing the platter, and I'm also fixing the crossfader. I've sealed it so dust don't get in easily, and also I've done some of the replacement of this button that are very difficult to click. Now this is the platter, the left and right. This is the platter, so I'm working on it right now. Let me show you exactly how you can open the FX Numark FX Platinum or Numark Platinum FX Pro. How to open this if you're here and you're stuck and you want to get in here. This is what you do. We have holes at the back of this platter, so you put your pin or whatever here to push the screen out. This is what you do. So this is the platter. This is your platter. This is the platter. This is it. I've opened it completely. Now, if this is not touching, like you're touching your platter for scratch, you're touching the platter for a scratch, and your wave from the Serato or whatever software is not working. Now, this is the exact issue of it. This is not contacting with this side. It's not contacting with this side, so you will not get that shock to be able to move your platter to scratch or to move your wave around. So what you need to do, you go to this point where you have this, that is the point of contact to this. Then you put a solder on it to get a small wire like this. This wire now, we solder it directly to this point here. Then you're done with this issue. This is also for all kind of platters. Just because of the JND, the earth is no longer contacting. That's why you're having these particular issues. So let's add a lead to this. Okay, this is it. Let me copy. This is it. Now let's do a test on it. Now if you're testing, we have our contact space on the platter. Okay, let me put this at the back of this platter, then we test. You see, that's the sound. That's it, baby. It's working right now. I have the platter fixed. So we're putting it back. This is the second side. Now we are at the peak of this job right now, doing the coupling. Right, stay on like this, stay on going. Now it's about that time we do a test. Let's do testing. What we did actually was the crossfader and the platter that are not working, contacting. So we're going to test them right away. Let's do the testing right now. Yeah, it's working. See, check my screen. See, this side is moving, this side is also moving, so everything is working perfectly. That is exactly how you prepare this. I'm done. Thank you very much for watching.